chick that messing with your dog, that law. If you come up, don't forget about your dog, that law. I'm a street, so it's the law. If you broke, that should be against the law.
What it do, G Squad, and welcome back to Double G TV. This your man Reggie. Today we're gonna be doing a little DIY on either cleaning or replacing a thermocouple for your hot water heater. Gas, of course. Not really for sure if I'm gonna have to replace it or clean it. So we're gonna get into it and see why my pilot light keep on going out. Alright y'all, so today we're gonna be changing a thermocouple or cleaning it. The pilot light keeps going out. It'll light, but it goes out. First thing you want to do, make sure you cut the gas off. If that red knob is going up and down parallel with the pipe, it's still on. When it's turned to the side, the gas is off. Alright. Take this little cover off. Okay, as you can see, it has three pretty much things coming out of it. I'm going to take you a picture so you can remember exactly how it goes. And pretty much all you're going to need is like an adjustable wrench. That should pretty much do it for you. You got 2 bolts. So we're going to get into it. Let's see what happens. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to take a picture of it, guys, so you know exactly how to put this back in there. You're going to have 2 little bolts on the door. I'm going to take those off as well. You can still take your little alright, just remove these 2 little bolts. Kind of get them loosened up, y'all, man. Y'all might be able to just take them out with your hands. Now, like I say, you will smell a little bit of gas simply because there's gas in here. Alright, so now that we got those bolts off, we got those bolts off for y'all, man. These 2. Should be able to just take this right on up out of here. I'll move it a little bit, you know. That's a rubber little piece. Oh, I gotta get it up out of that bracket. Up. Okay. This is going to be thermocouple. So it is dirty. Okay, so my thermocouple is this one, pretty much. I think cleaning is the way to go. I'm going to clean it and see what happens, and then we'll go with it from there. As you can see, you get a lot of dust and little stuff like that. While you're in here, man, you can go ahead and vacuum this out if you got a little shop vac. So I've decided I'm going to try to clean this first. Kind of clean it, put it back together, kind of see what happens. Does look a little corroded or whatnot on here. I'm going to clean this up, man, and see what happens right quick. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead on and actually replace this thermocouple. Like I say, it's kinda iffy. It does have a lot of heat marks on it and different little stuff like that. So versus repairing it, if you can see it's all white and corroded looking, I'm gonna go ahead on and replace this thermocouple truthfully. Move this this little screw out, this bracket. Okay, take this. My thermocouple pretty much just pushes. I want to say it just pushes in and out. Let me see. Oh. Alright y'all, so after you clean it up, we're going to try to clean it first. We're going to put this back together. Alright. See if I can get the bolts back on. Hopefully you took that picture, earlier. Y'all listen to your man Reggie, and you're gonna be okay. Alright, so once you get it all put back together, that's pretty much what it should look like. Hopefully it's light for you. If you can look down through your little sight glass, you'll see that's your pilot light lit, man. As long as it's got that blue flame, a little yellow in there, you did the job correctly, man. So, I'm gonna keep my eyes on it, making for sure that it's still burning correctly. You know what I'm saying? I didn't end up having to replace it. I just cleaned the thermocouple. I cleaned off a little bit of the oxidation or whatnot. We're gonna put this all back together, man. Make sure you put your cover back on. Hopefully that'll solve your problem. I'm almost for sure it should. Make sure you put your protective covering back over it. I hope y'all enjoyed fixing the water heater with me. It ended up being just a thermocouple needed to be cleaned. If y'all missed any steps or y'all need a little bit more help on something, make sure y'all drop a comment. I want y'all to make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so you know when I'm posting a new video. It's your man Reggie, and I'm out.
Don't trust no chick that messing with your dog. That law. If you come up, don't forget about your dog. That law. I'm a street, so it's the law. If you broke, that should be against the law.